Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular models, the budget-friendly Smug Countertop Ice Maker and the premium Aeitto Ice Maker's countertop. Both machines promise quick ice production, but they differ significantly in price and features. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one reigns supreme in the world of ice makers. Let's start with the price comparison. The Smug Countertop Ice Maker is priced at an impressive $69, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for quick ice solutions. In contrast, the Aeitto Ice Maker's countertop comes in at a premium price of $199. While both machines offer similar performance metrics, the significant price difference raises questions about the value added by the Aeitto's additional features. Next, let's discuss the design features. The Smug model sports a functional green design that emphasizes utility, complete with a carrying handle for portability. On the other hand, the Aeitto model showcases a sleek black finish with dual viewing windows, allowing users to monitor both the ice-making process and the ice storage level. This modern aesthetic makes it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Finally, we will compare their performance metrics. Both the Smug and Aeitto ice makers boast an impressive capability of producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, with a daily output of 26 pounds. This makes both machines highly efficient for home use, whether for parties or everyday needs. However, the question remains, is the extra cost of the Aeitto justified by its design features? In conclusion, both the Smug and Aeitto countertop ice makers offer excellent performance for their respective price points. The Smug model is perfect for budget-conscious consumers, while the Aeitto appeals to those seeking a more stylish and feature-rich option. Whichever you choose, both will serve you well in your ice-making needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.